kasi love ko talaga yung sweet.
Oh, obviously, she has heard it often na pwede siya mag-beauty queen. Papayag ka?
Kung gusto niya mo,
Siya naman yun, hindi naman ako eh. Hindi ko naman pinipigilan yung mga children ko to grow. In however way they want to do so. Pero, sinasabi ko lang parati, pag pinasok ng isang bagay, panindigan niya. True. Okay. More to come sa pagbabalik yan ng Chris TV. Chris TV would
Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes.
Grand Monaco to
Ay! Beautiful eyes. Ay!
organic household cleaners.
Beautiful eyes.
Environment. Available
Yee!
in stores and
Beautiful eyes.
Hoodies Mayaman by Glutamax. Available in capsules, soap, lotion, deodorant, and cream. Ultra Mega Supermarket. For franchise, call 904-5882 or 0917-989-4512. You want to have flawless white skin? Try KB Glutathione Activator plus NAC. The KB Glowing Pack. Master Shawmite. Nika Fried Ice Cream.
Beautiful eyes.
Silky straight all the time.
Uy, isa pa. Beautiful eyes.
My 100% natural virgin coconut
Beautiful eyes.
soy protein extract para ang hair ko
Beautiful eyes.
2 times straighter. Chat tayo on Facebook and have a great day.
Ay!
Choco na gatas. Oh, ito pa. Gatas na choco. Gatas na choco. Ulit. Choco na gatas. Ano sabi ng nanay